In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on Tradingview.com. Whether you're trying to reduce eye strain during those long trading sessions, or you simply prefer the sleek, sophisticated look that dark mode offers, this guide is for you. Now, let's dive right in and walk you through each step to make this transition seamless. First things first, let's ensure you're logged in to your Tradingview account. If you're not already signed in, head over to Tradingview.com and enter your login details. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll gain access to your personalized dashboard, filled with all the trading charts and information tailored for you. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically shows your profile picture or the initial of your username. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that contains a variety of options related to your account settings. It's here where you'll find what you're looking for to switch to dark mode. In this drop-down menu, you're going to look for the option that reads Dark Color Theme. It might be tempting to overlook it when skimming through the list, so take a moment to locate it carefully. Selecting this option will initiate the change in your interface theme. Now, feel free to click on Dark Color Theme. You'll immediately notice that the entire interface of Tradingview morphs into a darker shade. Your charts, toolbars, and all other elements will adopt this new theme, providing a modern aesthetic that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. This transformation isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about offering a more comfortable viewing experience for prolonged periods of use. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and utterly effective. It might surprise you how much a small change like this can impact the way you perceive your workspace, making it not only more visually appealing, but also more user-friendly. Plus, dark mode can help conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens, which is a nice little bonus. If at any point you decide you want to switch back to the light mode or explore other settings, simply follow these steps in reverse. The key is knowing that you have the control right at your fingertips to adjust your experience as you see fit. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you've successfully switched your Tradingview to dark mode. It's always rewarding to customize your trading environment to suit your preferences and needs. Thanks for watching.